Hey, what's up guys? It's Bodie here from BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to do retro style t-shirt designs. Now these are awesome sellers. People absolutely love them. And I'm over here on Etsy and I just want to show you, if we just put in retro t-shirt, just to give you an idea on what a good seller these are on places like Etsy, Redbubble, etc. If we just scroll down, like even basic things like this, 1983 vintage with a rainbow, like very easy designs. This one here, let's have a look at some other ones though. So simple designs like this, that is not hard to make. And if you look at some of these shops, you can see that they've got like 3.2K, $31. Yes, that's not all for this t-shirt, but some of them are actual retro t-shirt stores that I've checked out and they're making a killing. Even just the text design, you can see with some flowers in it like that, and this style text where it's wavy like that, it's got that certain retro sort of feel to it. So we're going for that 70s vibe, 60s and 70s vibe here. Vintage retro t-shirt design today. If you enjoy the content, please give it a like for me, please hit subscribe, and let's go. Alright, here I am on Kittle. You guys know that I've been digging Kittle for t-shirt designs lately. Check it out, it's one of the best out there, I would say. So check out this video, check out my other tutorials on Kittle, and make sure you get a subscription for sure. Let's go new project, and we'll just go poster small for this one. Orientation is straight up and down, create. Alright. So because it's going to be a retro style, we're going to click on this and make the background color a certain shade. I'm thinking like a lighter green. Yeah, something right around there would be like that retro sort of vibe. Looks good. Alright, so we're going to come over here and we're going to go to elements. And again, there's so many things for you to play with. Definitely go through all of these, check it all out. So many different options on what you can do on Kittle. Really, really good website. Alright, so we're going to go illustrations today. And they have this wicked one down here called Flower Power. So it really suits our 70s style retro t-shirt design. So you know that sort of 60s and 70s style. Of course there's mushrooms involved, rainbows, stars, flowers of course, the retro sort of sunnies, guitar of course, other different types of sunnies. So many different cool design ideas here. So we might just do a bit of a mix of everything. So let's start off with a heart. We'll start just adding things here and then put it together as we go. Definitely got to have a rainbow. Which one do I want though? Maybe this one. Chuck these stars over here. And then we might get another lot of stars. And what we can do is flip that. So we'll go flip horizontal, and we're going to put both of those to the back. That one to the back. So you can go backwards one, or forwards one, or you can go to the front or two fully to the back. Alright, so that's looking cool. Let's put some sunglasses in there. You can change all the colors of these things, by the way, so over here. So if you're not digging the color, then you can change the color, that's all good. I actually don't like those glasses there, so I might get rid of that. Maybe some flowers down the front would look cool. Might put these mushrooms in to the side. Whoops, just grabbed the wrong thing. And definitely a bit smaller. Drag them down so they're the same size as the other ones. Whoops. Okay, so they're the same size. Then I'm going to flip that horizontal and drag across. Alright, we're definitely getting a lot of 70s vibes going on here. That just needs to go across a tiny bit more. And I think that's about perfect. The rainbow might need to be a tiny bit bigger, but anyway, we'll leave that for now. And next I think we'll go these flowers. We'll just make it a bit smaller. And then we will copy it and paste it. Now it's giving me the exact same size times 2. Now don't worry about that because I'm going to move that to the back. Same with this one, to the back. So I just realized what I had going on there. I need to flip this horizontal. And that will actually line up. I was wondering why it wouldn't come out exactly the same. There we go, that's looking much better. Alright, so once you're happy with your design, we're going to add our text. They actually have a vintage one here, so let's just have a look at that quickly. I do have an idea on the lettering I want to use, but just having a look at the different styles they've got here. So to add text, we just click text and then add headline. It pops up down here. Then we can change everything over to the right here. So the text that we're using, we can just click on this. There's a lot of different text along here. Just go through until you find the style that you're looking for. Be aware that whatever you use, you can also customize it down here, so you can have it in like a wavy fashion, things like that. The wave sort of fashion would definitely be the retro vibe. So I'm thinking one of these here looks good, like this Sundays is definitely the style that I'm looking for. Also this one here, and maybe even this one here. So we might just try out, I'm probably thinking this one. This is looking very retro. We'll try this one out. Okay, so we're going to write good vibes on there. Obviously in our retro style, 70s style t-shirt, good vibes are what it's all about. So text color, we're going to fit it in with that sort of 70s style and retro theme. So I'm thinking something like maybe an orange. Might be too much orange going on in this. Maybe like a pink or something. Yeah, I'm thinking like a lighter pink like this is going to work. Next thing, I might actually see what this looks like. If you want to make it bigger, you can just drag it out a bit. I'm actually just coming back and playing with the text again because I think one of these other ones probably looks better. It does look good like that, but I also like this. But I will change this up a little bit. What I'm going to do is get rid of this second word for now. Just have that as one, and then type another word. Just line that up down below. Change this text color. You can just do that so I can make it the same color as the one that I'm using. And then what I want to do is change this. So I was just playing with these angles, and you can change all this as well. So if you did the wave there, you can change the wave as well as you go across. Different things like that. It kind of looks good like that, but it also looks good just flat like this. So I think I'll leave it like that. I actually think that looks quite cool. Definitely your retro style 70s and 60s style t-shirt design. As you can see, like I showed you down to the left here, in these elements, there is all these cool things in illustrations. Just because we used one section down the bottom there doesn't mean you won't find other cool stuff in different sections. Like this one has some cool old school sort of things, surfy sort of things that would definitely fit into that vibe, old school vibe as well, retro, with the cool sunsets and stuff like that you could put in the background, surfers and different things like this. So yeah, anyway, make sure you have a play around with it. Kittl is so awesome for designing t-shirts here in 2023. Your print-on-demand business needs this for sure. I hope you guys found some value from this. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please give it a like. Please comment down below any questions or comments you have. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.